Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine.
And I'm Juliet, and now that summer's here, we wanted to give you a few summer skincare tips.
And as we transition between seasons, we know that our skin might get a little bit crazy. That's why updating your skincare routine to obtain that healthy glow is important.
Yeah, let's talk about aged or mature skin. There are a lot of anti aging products that are filled with chemicals on the shelves today. They promise to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, all while giving you that youthful glow. But they are filled with chemicals, and if you can avoid the harsh chemicals, then you should.
And of course, drinking water helps, but that's not all. You'll want to make sure that your skin is hydrated and moisturized. It's very vital.
Let's start with the cleansing process. Our patchouli body wash is amazing for its benefits for mature skin. It's happy, nostalgic for many people, but the benefits in the patchouli body wash are great. It's great for balancing acne prone, dry, cracked, aged, mature skin. And patchouli is actually wonderful for the treatment of wrinkles.
So you can pair it with the matching body oil. And our body oils are amazing because they help lock in the skin's moisture when you apply it to freshly cleansed and bathed skin. If you aren't a fan of the spicy and sweet aroma of patchouli, you can also try lavender.
Yes, and lavender is actually very moisturizing due to its antioxidant properties. It helps fight free radical damage like fine lines and wrinkles.
Now, if you have acne prone skin, then we highly recommend our black soap with activated charcoal. So, in the hot, humid months of summer, you'll want to try to control that extra sebum that your skin is creating.
Right, because this excess can actually attract dirt and clog your pores. And the charcoal in the soap acts like a magnet in removing those impurities.
It also contains lavender essential oil, which helps calm and soothe the skin. And like most of us, you might be prone to the occasional breakout, so you'll want to try this acne spot treatment as well. So, what you'll do is you'll take a carrier oil, and I'm taking jojoba because it's my holy grail. And I'm just going to add about 10 to 15 drops onto this cotton pad. And then what I'll do is I'll add about 2 to 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. And so what you'll want to do is apply that directly onto the breakout area, or you can use a cotton swab. So you'll want to fully saturate the tip of the cotton swab and add 1 drop of tea tree essential oil and apply it to that breakout of yours.
This is a super easy spot treatment you can do at home. And you may be wondering, why can't I just apply the tea tree oil directly onto that blemish or spot? You can't, because the tea tree is super concentrated and it can actually irritate your skin. You're going to always want to use a carrier oil as a barrier to protect yourself.
So tea tree's antibacterial and antimicrobial properties work to destroy that acne-causing bacteria, and it helps reduce the level of acne breakouts.
Yes, and skin labeled normal can have issues all on its own. And that's why we recommend carrot and vitamin E soap for this skin type.
So this soap provides extraordinary protection of the skin due to its high concentration of antioxidant properties and ingredients. So if you plan on having fun in the sun this summer, make sure you add our carrot and vitamin E soap to your skincare routine. It does help condition and soothe dry, aged, and sun-damaged skin.
Yes, and the vitamin E in the soap, it protects against free radicals and it also helps diminish the appearance of wrinkles and scars.
So let us know in the comments below what your summer skincare tips are and if there are any products that you'd love to learn a little bit more about.
We appreciate you watching and hope you have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.